until 15 only unless mag-extend pa tayo.
But it's been a competitive 5-set. May mga 5 sets na parang natutulog eh. Di ba?
Yung ang bilis,
Mabagal
yes.
or mabagal. Boy, this woman is doing a little of everything. And she even sends it into the air. Gandler. Dito ayaw mo pa bagsakin yung bola. And Santos makes them pay. For the other side. And muntik nang maging straight sets. Up 3 straight. Ang signal ang Creamline. Pero hindi. Bumawi ang signal. And here we are. Wow, that's gonna count.
Medyo malayo yung coverage on the side of Creamline. Good start for the Signal Super Spikers, getting a 2-point lead now.
Important because ang 5th set na 15, mabilis lang yan. Ha? Mahirap pag nalamangan ka ng maaga.
Yes. But going back to their game nung preliminaries, nag-5th set din sila, but extended naman yung set na yon.
Oo, parang ayaw matapos yun. Cayuna. Carlos diving. Gandler stretching and Katindig colliding. It's still in play. Everybody reassembling now. De Leon, Katindig says no way. Santos drills it in.
Credit the effort of the Super Spikers, really scrambling for defense, but the most important part is they were able to position themselves right away and anticipate the set play of Creamline. And Erica Santos there on the
With 2 big steps forward. In fact, a 4-0 lead. Chamzon. Bawi-bawi.
There you go, because they had a good first ball and yung mga quick hits na yan was proven to be effective.
Anyway, it's 4-1. Gandler, got it, got it.
Inside, down the line, finding that open from the down the line block of...
Yung physical strength ni Gandler nagbago, no? Talagang, alam mong nagpuputi ng extra work eh. Oh, but look at the counter.
Doing that combination play again for Creamline.
Ganda ng set.
But
Jam,
the block
however,
was there.
Yeah.
So pag nabibitin yung set kay Erica Santos, take a look at how Creamline was already guarding that cross court. Kaya nahirapan din si Erica to target down the line.
Para masikip na masyado, no? In the meantime, Creamline trying to get this across. Pons and Katindig just whips it back into action. Gandler, it's off the block of the hands of Carlos. Carlos unloads but overcooks it. No.
Na signaling kay Jel Cayuna na she's ready for the back row whenever she needs.
Hijack. Gandler.
Ang layo ng coverage na Signal.
Oh, yes.
Play with confidence and to execute with teamwork. It's anyone's game and it all boils down to who wants to secure that semi-final slot even more. 7 Panay.
Thank you very much. And with the way things are cooking here, Signal is 6 points away. Gandler too close to the net.
Yeah, because Giselle C was on the back row and she touched that ball na nag-over. Unsuccessful.
Hello, hello. Welcome to Tension Theater.
That was a short pass.
Oh, that's in. I think Chamchon got it.
Yes, it was inside.
That didn't last very long. A big cluster counter by Creamline. Alive. Back row. Spin by Atienza. Pons calculates. It's in the air. Cayuna says get out of the way. Go to Santos. Block. Santos keeps it alive. Cayuna reverses. The shot by Gandler. It's also alive. Pons. We are going to take a while here. Cayuna will go to Chamzon. What a recovery! What a game by Chamzon!